feeling overwhelmed? Here are 7 simple wins you can easily do today. Do a 2-minute surface reset. Just set a quick 2-minute timer. Pick a surface that is bothering you the most, the entry, the kitchen, whichever, and clear it off completely. It super transforms the whole entire room, but it is something that took so little time and makes such a drastic impact on the space. It changes the mood of your whole entire home, even when the rest is still catching up. Light a candle or diffuse some oils. Homemaking is not just endless to-do tasks. It is also setting the mood, setting the tone, creating the peace for our home. This helps to super transform the mood, even in the midst of chaos. It takes less than 10 seconds and it signals to your brain, this space is cared for. This home is mine and I am showing up for it. Choose a cozy scent that makes you want to be home. You will see what a drastic impact this will make in your whole entire home. Start a tiny wins list. Grab a sticky note, a paper, a planner, and write down 3 wins that you've done today. Keep building up this momentum and you will see by the end of the week how much you have done in so little time. These things could be anything from making your bed to lighting a candle to anything in between. Everything totally counts. But this momentum will help. Momentum builds faster when you start celebrating these tiny wins. If you want a guide that already has this built in for you, you can get my Tiny Wins starter kit that comes with a built-in tracker and much more for just $5. Be sure to check it out in the link below if you're interested. Walk around with a basket for your whole entire home, and in less than 2 minutes, you can pick up all the clothes dangling about by just quickly tossing it into the basket. Chances are, if they're laying about, they're most likely dirty, so feel free to put it in the hamster. So feel free to put it in the hamper, but if you want to investigate, sure. Put it in one spot to sort it later. However, it is winter whenever you're watching this video and there's like jackets and stuff like that. You can feel free to hang it up right away so you don't have to deal with it later, and just sort the things when it goes. Once a body is in motion, it typically stays in motion, so it won't take that much more effort to just go ahead and put the things away. Play a 1-song cleanup game. So this is the adult version of the cleanup song. Play your favorite song and go on, choose one room and tackle it for the whole entire song. If you finish, then great, move on to the next room. If you don't, that's okay. You got a lot more done than you would have otherwise. It's fun, it's fast, and it's way more motivating than cleaning in silence. Here's a fun win. Decorate a corner of your home seasonally. Pick a cozy spot you see often and decorate it for the season. You don't need to have a whole bunch of stuff to do that. I totally lean minimalist, and I can still do this by swapping out things and having a color palette throughout my home. Just do whatever works for you and don't spend a ton of money on this, please. In fact, if you already have some stuff for the season, go ahead and dig it out. And I'm pretty sure it will feel fresh, especially if it's in a location that is different than where you typically put it. It is just one tiny spot in your home, and this can lift the whole entire mood. If you're a mom of littles like me, be sure to have a play and set basket where you have a few toys that your child can play with, and it is easy for them to clean up on their own. Be sure to be rotating this so they don't get bored of this every so often, but it's just one less thing on your to-do list. Plus, it helps them to feel super capable and independent when they know they can clean this up all by themselves. Not to mention, it creates a tidy habit in your children that can be built from very early on. If you love these tiny wins, don't forget my Tiny Wins starter kit is jam-packed with wins that you can do even on the busiest days. Progress doesn't have to be overwhelming. For less than a cup of coffee or 2 these days, you can get my Tiny Wins starter guide. Be sure to check it out in the link below. And if you want even more simple wins, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.